How to make all photos private on Facebook? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to make your Facebook photos and posts private, step by step. If this helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Now tap on the menu icon at the top right. Tap on three dots icon at the top right to open settings. Tap on Privacy Center. Scroll down and tap on Facebook. Scroll down and tap on Profile and Tagging under Audience and Visibility. Now go through each option and set everything to Only Me. Tap on options like Who can see what others post on your profile and change it to Only Me. Once done, tap on Review what others people see on your profile. You'll notice your posts and photos are now hidden, except your profile and cover photo, which remain public. And that's it. That's how you can make all your Facebook photos private easily.